Oh my god, he's so good.
Oh.
My rug is screaming at me.
Yeah, he comes up with fantastic.
Cold? Yeah? Wanna go back to bed?
I tell you what though, folks, that's bloody nice. That is bloody lovely.
شوفوا محلاها وحامل بعد بطنها كبير.
Bro, what the hell? Dude, you're how old? You're like 3 weeks old. You aren't supposed to be on a run yet. You gotta go back with your brothers and sisters, bro. Yes, you gotta go back. Where's the other 4 of them?
Ugly f***ing cat who f***ing shit on my neighbor's lawn does The Rock mean?
Dude. Oh, hi, Jake. What are you doing here?
Happy birthday.
Yeah, good girl.
This was supposed to be a cute video of 2 of us.
I wanna kill my mom.
Ah, Freeman.
You're in my pile. You are in my pile. No!
Are you being a very patient big brother?
It's gonna be hard.
Not eating that.
Why? You a vegetarian?
No.
You're my friend now.
Get your
We cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama. Oh my
I was petting my neighbor's cat when suddenly
I wanna kill my mom. What the fuck?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Baby? No.
Cat. All right, people, I think it is time for a loaf check.
Yo, I think we got the same model. How did you turn yours off?
Are you hungry? You want dinner? What do you want for dinner? You want fish or chicken? Chicken it is. Okay, I'll get right on it. What do you want, Celine? You don't care.
Where you going? Small.
I wanna kill my mom. What the fuck? I wanna kill my dad. I wanna kill my grandma.
Who's buying this? That would be my big fat ass.
There it is. That's a mistake. He don't know it yet. But I'm gonna beat his.
What did you do? It was you!
Pintamos toda la casa y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
Of 1 million. Sexy, sweet, young.
I piss and poo. I piss and poo, but mostly pee.
Zolang er een oorlog is in Oekraïne, zolang er onzekerheid is over de voorraad van olie en gas uit Rusland, ja, gaan die prijzen hoog blijven, want wat we daar niet meer willen doen.
I'm gay. Okay, little one. Oh, you don't want it anymore? Now that it's consensual, you don't want to give me a little kiss? All men are the same.
So I just went to the adoption clinic just to look. Just to look. I just went to look. She's so cute.
So, I'm in the process of cleaning my room and I found all these straws from when I was serving. Hi, baby.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Are you kidding me? This cunt just ran across the road. Stolen a monkey.
It's got a collection of toys.
Oh, he's going back. No.
No, he's not.
He's going back. He's going back. Surely not. Why has it been so sneaky? Yeah, he's going for one. He's going for it, not for it. No. He's just